Introducing the super lightweight. With the eFOLDi Lite, we are reducing weight even further from our multi-award-winning eFOLDi Mark 1.5 scooter. Based on a revolutionary magnesium alloy body frame, the eFOLDi Lite reduces weight and increases strength. Using powerful yet light lithium batteries, the eFOLDi Lite weighs just 15 kilograms. The battery and rear wheels can be quickly and easily removed to reduce weight even further, down to just 12 kilograms. The eFOLDi Lite can be easily folded to a compact size for easy transportation and storage, so compact it will easily fit in the boot of the smallest car. eFOLDi Lite is the perfect companion for shopping, leisure, commuting and travel. eFOLDi Lite is simple to fold and unfold and can be mastered in minutes. Ready to go in seconds, it's also easy to drive. With its incredibly small turning circle, eFOLDi Lite can navigate shops and offices with ease and maneuver in even the tightest of spaces. eFOLDi Lite can carry loads of up to 120 kilograms and can travel up to 22 kilometers on a single charge with a maximum speed of 6 kilometers per hour. Its powerful motor allows eFOLDi Lite to travel easily on less than ideal surfaces. Its electromagnetic brake provides fast and safe stopping on slopes. Contact us today to see how eFOLDi can give you or someone you love the gift of mobility.